ओके, रिकॉर्डिंग आपने
ठीक है सर।
ओके, हाँ चलो ठीक है, आप लोगों को सही आ रही है ना? मेरे
हाँ,
को
बहुत सही है सर।
जैसे आप रिकॉर्डिंग चालू करते हो ना तो वो आती है वॉइस। ओके, इट्स ऑल राइट। Just sorry for the interruption. This is now we are starting this is the first slide. Optimizing control in moderate severe allergic rhinitis, a role of intranasal corticosteroid plus intranasal antihistaminic. Okay, next slide, please, madam. In this webinar, it is a very important webinar. In this webinar, we have divided this webinar in 3 parts. In one part, we will see the overview of the allergic rhinitis. In other words, I can say just we will revise what is allergic rhinitis. And second, suboptimal control of allergic rhinitis in clinic practice. In part 2, we will discuss allergic rhinitis treatment options and recommendations. And second, role of intranasal corticosteroid plus intranasal antihistaminic. In last part, that is part 3, Leritis AZ, that is a combination of mometasone and agelastin, and we will show you the clinical studies that will prove that why this combination is more appropriate for the patients. And after 40 minutes of this webinar, you will understand why this combination is very important, and that is why Glenmark has come with this combination, and we are thankful for that. Next slide, please. Why allergic rhinitis is very important? Because it is not a India problem, it is a world problem. See on the slide that 600 million people worldwide have allergic rhinitis, and in India it is 20 to 30%. In India it is 20 to 30%, and in 20 to 30%, 80% people are landing in asthmatic bronchitis because it is a single pipe disease. That is why to clinical diagnose the allergic rhinitis at this level of allergic rhinitis is very important. And in this era of pandemic where we cannot use endoscope regularly, we have to work on these symptoms. Okay, this overall burden in higher countries, higher or and middle countries both have more important. Next slide. Just to revise, see it very seriously. Allergic rhinitis is in allergic rhinitis, there is a nasal blockage, sneezing and itching, rhinorrhea. And this nasal blockage is due to vasodilation, vascular engorgement, and nasal tissue edema. And sneezing and itching is due to nerve irritation, hyperreactivity of the nasal mucosa. And in rhinorrhea, hyperactivity of the nasal increased secretions. Just to repeat, allergic rhinitis, nasal blockage, sneezing and itching, and rhinorrhea. Nasal blockage is due to vasodilation, engorgement, and edema. Sneezing and itching is due to nerve irritation and hypersensitivity of the nasal mucosa. And in rhinorrhea, hyperactivity of the nasal glands and increased secretions. Now the types and classification of this allergic rhinitis. When the symptoms persist less than 4 days a week and or less than 4 weeks a year, it is called as intermittent allergic rhinitis. And when these symptoms are more and equal to 4 days a week or 4 days a week a year, then it is known as persistent allergic rhinitis. In mild allergic rhinitis, there is a normal sleep, no impairment of daily activities, work and school, and no bothersome symptoms. It is a mild, that is why it is mild. In moderate to severe, abnormal sleep is there, impairment of daily activities, work or school, and bothersome symptoms are there. This is a very important slide. In the part 1, we are discussing about the allergic rhinitis, its pathophysiology, and its classification. Now, seasonal and perennial. Seasonal allergic rhinitis occurs at the same time each year in spring, summer, and early fall. It is called also called as hay fever. In perennial, symptoms occur year-round and are generally caused by sensitivity to dust mites, pet hairs, dandruff, and mold. I think this is a very important slide. Just you can see seasonal and perennial allergic rhinitis. You have seen intermediate and persistent part. You have seen the definition of allergic rhinitis. Next slide, please. See the burden of allergic rhinitis. Allergic rhinitis clinical burden. In allergic rhinitis, there is a nasal obstruction and ocular symptoms are associated with poor quality of life. When your nose is blocked, you must have experienced how the life is poor, quality of life is poor. In this slide, just it is important that when nasal obstruction is there and ocular symptoms are there, our life is, quality of life is poor. We are always irritated. We are mental chaos is there. So that is why allergic rhinitis is very important. Next slide, please. Allergic rhinitis landscape. See, अश्विनी जी ये यहाँ से हटा देना, ये इधर दिख नहीं रहा थोड़ा स्लाइड पे. ये allergic rhinitis landscape. In European countries, you will see in 43% it is allergic and in 23% it is non-allergic. And in 34% it is mixed. But in India, the things are reversed. You see the graph, this graph. We are moving from mild to severe in percentage. That is why growing burden of allergic rhinitis patients with moderate to severe and persistent disease. That is in India. In European countries, 43 are allergic, 23 are non-allergic, and 34 are mixed. But in India, you will see in the graph, if we are shifting from mild to moderate and severe persistent allergic rhinitis. That is why a package deal is required. 360-degree management is required. Next slide, please. See, uncontrolled and moderate severe allergic rhinitis. When we are using oral antihistaminics, we are using so many decongestants. Persistent nasal blockage and oral antistamic monography, major risk factor associated with uncontrolled disease. The oral antihistaminics and these decongestants giving us persistent, the monotherapy giving us not a complete proper compliance and proper effective treatment. That is why nasal obstruction is over there. See, you can see in the graph also, uncontrolled or moderate severe allergic rhinitis due to monotherapy. Yes, next slide, Ashwini ji. Yes, this is a very important slide. This contribution of symptoms in allergic rhinitis. You will see in the graph, 36% are runners, draining watery discharge, and 64% blockers are there. Majority of patients present with nasal obstruction as a major symptoms. See, this is very important. Runners and blockers, 64% are blockers. That is why our main concentration is on the blockers, then on the runners. Okay, next slide, please. That is why allergic breakthrough symptoms are common. Yes, you can see breakthrough symptoms are common even in treatment of allergic rhinitis. Next slide, please. I will explain in next slide this. Now see, why this single medication is required? Because you will see the patients are adherence and non-compliance of allergic rhinitis is very poor. Compliance of allergic rhinitis is very poor. Why? Some patient has perceived knowledge, or some perceived knowledge is exceeding actual knowledge. Some are changing treatment from one doctor to other doctors. Some are confused, or some is non-compliance. थोड़ा आराम पड़ गया उन्होंने कहा ओके रहने दो. That is why a single medication with a more rapid onset of action would be advantageous. That is why Glenmark team has come with this combination to remove this adherence and compliance in allergic rhinitis treatment, to remove this poor effect. Next slide, please. What we are in allergic rhinitis, what is the treatment? We have to educate the patients about the environment. We have to educate the patient about the hygiene to avoid the allergic avoidance. Pharmotherapy, and this is acute immunotherapy that is very costly. And pharmotherapy is effective in most patients when poorly implemented, improves quality of life. When properly implemented, pharmotherapy is effective in most patients. When properly implemented, it improves the quality of life. Previously, I have told you, due to non-compliance and adherence, uneducation, lack of so many confusions, quality of life is poor. But when we can give the compact therapy, quality of life will improve if it is properly implemented. That is why a single drug with proper combination has been invented. Okay, next please. Next slide. Current scenario. So, see the current scenario. Oral antihistaminic has effect 1 to 3 hours. Effects in 1 to 3 hours. And intranasal corticosteroid plus intranasal antihistaminic effects in 10 to 60 minutes. See the difference. There 1 to 3 hours in monotherapy, and in combination therapy 10 to 60 minutes. Next slide, please. These are the studies, meta-analysis. These are the studies that intranasal corticosteroid plus intranasal antihistaminic versus intranasal corticosteroid versus antihistaminic mono separately. So it is proved that intranasal corticosteroid plus intranasal antihistaminic has better efficacy over intranasal corticosteroids and intranasal antihistaminic monotherapy. These are the studies. Next slide, please. Again, the same thing. These are the also studies, and it has also proved that intranasal antihistaminic plus intranasal corticosteroid is superior to oral antihistaminic plus antihistaminic corticosteroid in improving nasal symptoms for allergic rhinitis patient. Just to give you confidence that why this intranasal combination is better. Okay, next slide, please. This is also a this is also a statistics that ENT reports intranasal corticosteroids plus intranasal antihistaminic FDC combination is associated with better outcome. These are the different aspects of different studies. You can see on the graph. I am not going in details, but just to have it is a studies have shown, so many studies that have gone through in a different except, and all have proved that intranasal corticosteroid plus intranasal antihistaminics has a better outcome than oral or monotherapy. Next slide, please. This is a very beautiful slide. See, this is a graph. 14% before consultation, and after consultation, this is 70%. What I mean to say is 65% moderate to severe allergic rhinitis patients require step-up therapy. Many patients using non-intranasal corticosteroids plus intranasal antihistaminic medications were uncontrolled and switched to fixed combination during the consultation, then they have get the better result 70%. This graph is very beautiful. I think इसको अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में डाल लो, जिससे कि आपको एक बेसिकली ग्राफ का मतलब ही यही होता है कि अपना जो ब्रेन है या खासकर सबकॉन्शियस ब्रेन है वो इमेजेस को पढ़ता है लेकिन लैंग्वेज को नहीं सुनता है। तो ये ग्राफ पे आप लोग ध्यान दें कि बिफोर कंसल्टेशन 14% and after consultation 70% when giving intranasal corticosteroid plus intranasal antihistaminic therapy. Okay, next slide please. Combination treatment to achieve control in common in real world. Combination therapy treatment preferred in both intermittent and persistent cases as well as across the severity of allergic rhinitis in real world. In all the world, this combination therapy is used in all cases of this persistent or intermittent. See the graph. See the graph. In every graph, you are saying that momentous zone is better, but I think in some moderate, यहाँ थोड़ा ज्यादा है, बस ये सूदिंग इफेक्ट का थोड़ा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. बाकी momentous one is better in all aspect. You can see. Combination treatment is preferred in both all over worldwide. Next slide, please. Reason for combination treatment is better and faster symptoms relief. Reason 70% more efficacy is there. The need for more efficacy and faster response was primary reason for combination treatment, because you have seen in previous slides that it acts within 1 to 10 minutes to 1 hour, 60 minutes, and all antihistaminics are acting in 1 to 3 hours. Faster response, more efficacy. That is why this combination therapy is required. Next slide, madam. Yes. ये ARIA, this is the allergic rhinitis recommendation for allergic rhinitis treatment. This is a society that intranasal corticosteroid plus intranasal antihistaminic is preferred in VAS greater than or equal to 5. VAS means ये क्या विजुअल एनालॉग स्केल है. दिस इज ए विजुअल एनालॉग स्केल होता है जिसमें कुछ क्वेश्चनर दिए जाते हैं और मरीज बताता है कि भाई मेरे कितने सही हुए कितने नहीं हुए. उसमें इफ इट इज मोर देन 5, इट इज मोर देन 5 और वन ऑफ द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ वास इज लेस 5. मोनोथेरेपी में लेस देन 5 है और इसमें जो है मोर देन 5 और इक्वल टू 5 है. दैट इज वाई एरिया रिकमेंडेशन यही है कि जब उनके सिम्टम्स जो हैं, जो वास के विजुअल एनालॉग स्केल है उस स्केल में 5 और 5 से इक्विवेलेंट हैं, तो अपने को कॉम्बिनेशन थेरेपी देनी चाहिए. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. इंडियन गाइडलाइंस ऑन एलर्जिक राइनिटिस treatment options. Combination, there are so many options in the treatment. Combination of intranasal steroids and intranasal corticosteroids versus intranasal corticosteroid alone. Second option, combination of intranasal antihistaminic and intranasal corticosteroid versus intranasal antihistaminic alone. Means all these options are monotherapy. But in second recommendation क्या है? In patient with seasonal allergic rhinitis, either it is a combination of intranasal corticosteroid with an intranasal antihistaminic or an intranasal corticosteroid alone is recommended. And second, in patients with seasonal allergic rhinitis, that is SARC, combination of intranasal corticosteroid with intranasal antihistaminic rather than intranasal alone is recommended. In every case, they are saying it is better to recommend combination therapy better than monotherapy. Assumed values and preference, the choice of treatment will mostly depend on the patient preference and local ability and cost of the treatment. Initiation of the treatment, approximately about first week, 2 weeks, a combination of intranasal corticosteroid with an intranasal antihistaminic might act faster than intranasal corticosteroid alone, thus might be preferred by the subpatient. The recommendation places higher values and additional recommendation of symptoms and increased quality of life with a combination therapy compared to intranasal antihistaminic alone. In every researches, in every studies, we have came to know that all combination therapy is better and fast and active response than the monotherapy. Next. Now see mometasone furoate. It is a new generation of intranasal corticosteroid. Why it is called a new generation, and it is better than previous words. Mometasone has a lower systemic viability and faster onset of action with intranasal corticosteroids. Mometasone onset of action is 2.5 hours and viability is less than 0.1. Now see, this mometasone has relatively binding affinity towards the glucocorticoid receptors are better than fluticasone, budicasone, triamylon, or dexamethasone. You can see this graph. Graph is very impactful. See, this mometasone has a highest order of binding of to glucocorticoid receptors. Okay, I think you have seen this relative binding affinity, and in next coming slides, I will show why mometasone furoate is better than other steroids. Next, please. Yes, mometasone longer term safety to see the epithelium changes. Very important point. When morphological examination of nasal biopsy specimen showed a decrease in focal metaplasia, no change in epithelium thickness. Basically, nasal epithelium is very thick, but morphological examination of nasal biopsy specimen showed with other steroid have focal metaplasia and no change of epithelium thickness and no signs of atrophy after treatment with mometasone furoate. That is very important, because when we are prescribing, not in combination, when we are prescribing this mometasone furoate, we are prescribing, sometimes we say take it lifelong. Okay, the only complication is optic atrophy, that is rare, very rare. In allergic cases, when we are doing this functional our FAST surgeries, FAST surgery means functional endoscopic sinus surgery. This is not a to remove the disease. It is to make the medication properly to the sinuses. That is why after surgery, we have to advise first in 2 weeks combination, then only steroid therapy. That is why this is very important point, that epithelium thickness has got no change in mometasone furoate. That is why we can give it safely to the patient of our patient after surgeries also. Okay, next slide, please. Yes, this is again a better thing. Sensory attributes of mometasone furoate and fluticasone propionate nasal spray by patients with allergy. This is a combination of both the things. The only thing with mometasone, see in all the graphs, mometasone has got better response in all the cases. The overall, scant, immediate taste, after taste, less drip, less run through nose, more soothing. In more soothing, this is something furoate it better. And in mometasone has got slightly down, but in all the cases, you can see mometasone has got better results. Based on the tested sensory attributes, patient preferred mometasone furoate to pneumotherapy for the treatment of allergic rhinitis. Okay, you can see the graph at least for 2 seconds so that it can make impact that in all the cases momentous and basically a case of immediate taste, after taste, less drip throat, less run out nose, more soothing, less irritation, urgency to sneeze. All these are better controlled by this mometasone furoate. Next slide. Azilastin in allergic rhinitis. Azilastin is a second generation antihistaminic approved for the treatment of seasonal allergic rhinitis and non-allergic vasomotor rhinitis. 10 patients, 10 times more potent than the chlorpheniramine merit at the H1 receptor site. In addition to its antihistaminic property, azilastin has shown anti-inflammatory action or migration and inhibition of synthesis and release of chemical mediators such as leukotrienes, supradox anions, free oxygen radicals, canins, inflammatory cytokinins. In addition to this, it is antihistaminic. It is a second generation antihistaminic, and it is better than H1 chlorpheniramine merit, 10 times more better because of its anti-inflammatory activities and activation and migration and inhibition of synthesis of these chemical mediators, leukotrienes, supradox ions, free oxygen radicals, CANs, and inflammatory. These are all immunity bonding things, immunity improving things that we will not go in details. We will talk after some words anytime. Next slide, please. Intranasal anistatin or oral antihistaminic. Azilastin nasal spray was significantly better than cetirizine tablet in reducing symptoms of seasonal allergic rhinitis. And seasonal allergic rhinitis, I have shown you in the previous slide that it is persistent allergic rhinitis. It is also called as hay fever. You see, this azilastin is better antihistaminic proved than cetirizine. See the graph. See the graph. See this graph. See this graph. Graph is going to impact on your mind, and you will remember the things that azilastin is better than antihistaminic. Next slide, please. Intranasal azilastin versus intranasal olipridine in seasonal allergic rhinitis and vasomotor rhinitis. Again, I will prefer see the graph. In nasal congestion, in rhinorrhea, post-nasal drip, sneezing, same case with this. It is better, it is better, it is better, it is better. Significant difference from the baseline in each group. No significant between group differences. Means in every aspect, azilastin is better than olipridine. You can see from this all the symptoms, this nasal congestion, rhinorrhea, post-nasal drip, sneezing, they are better controlled by the azilastin than the olipridine. Next slide, please. Now, clinical combinations, clinical evidences. Mometasone furoate and azilastin intranasal spray. Combination versus combination of intranasal monotherapies, combination of intranasal and oral monotherapies, and third, intranasal monotherapy. In next slide, we will see the what is the combination therapy is better or this monotherapy is better. These are the studies, and in every study, we will see that combination therapy has better control and better efficacy and better drug compliance. Next slide, please. Same statistically significant difference between were found in all the patients of studies group that combination therapy is better. Combination therapy is better. You will see in this graph. You can give 1 BD, you can give 2 BD, You can give monotherapy. Combination therapy is always better than monotherapy. These are the different types of studies. Next slide, please. Same studies are there. They are saying that perineal allergic rhinitis and control monotherapy combinations all are proved less better than combination therapy of this intranasal corticosteroid therapy plus intranasal antihistaminic therapy. These are the studies, and in every study references are already given. These are the proved therapies. Okay, next slide, please. Same thing, total nasal score. Statistically significant difference is there. In every study, the company, yeah, combination of monotherapy, combination therapy is better than monotherapy. Next slide, please. Next slide is there. The investigation, no, same studies are there. In every study, they are trying to prove, just to make you confident, that all these are monotherapy, combination therapy is better than monotherapy. Significant interior differences are there. Okay, next slide. क्या स्लाइड्स में शॉर्ट में इसलिए बता रहा हूं कि मेरे बोलने के पहले आप लोग ही ना चले जाए ना कहीं मेरे को सुनते सुनते. Total nasal symptom score, same statistics. In every redness of eye, ocular symptoms are also better controlled by this combination therapy than the monotherapy. Next slide, please. This is a very important slide. So see, intra-group analysis, the mean change in rhinitis quality of life. This is RQOL from the baseline to the end of the treatment. What is statistically significant of all 4 treatment groups with each group? Combination therapy is better. A RQOL means rhinitis quality of life. Questionnaire is there. Test is going. उनकी टर्म्स हैं बेसिकली, उनको मैंने फुल फॉर्म में बता दिया आपको कि रेनाइटिस क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ क्वेश्चनर रहता है, उसका स्कोर रहता है, उसी के ऊपर ये लोग स्टडी करते हैं, कुछ सैंपल सर्विस रहता है, उसमें प्रूव ये हुआ है कि ऑकुलर सिम्टम्स आर बेटर कंट्रोल देन द कॉम्बिनेशन थेरेपी. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. Safety profile is also good. No significant changes in ECG are changed. No Q waves is there. No cardiac changes. No significant changes. Safety profile is almost good. Nothing is no nasal burning is there. Headache, nasal bleeding. All these are optimized in this combination therapy, and it is safe and well tolerated. This combination therapy better than monotherapy. Next slide, please. Just to revise all the things, it is effective in relieving symptoms of seasonal allergic rhinitis and perineal allergic rhinitis. Effective controls ocular symptoms, faster onset of action and intranasal antihistaminic within 10 to 15 minutes for early phase response, long and sustained acting intranasal corticosteroid for late phase response, single device proves uniform distribution of drugs and no runoff, single device convenience to patient, which may prove add compliance and good tolerability. Just to repeat again, intranasal corticosteroid and intranasal antihistaminic nasal spray are effective in treatment of seasonal allergic rhinitis, perineal rhinitis, ocular controls and nasal control, faster onset of action, and intranasal late phase, long and sustained action Single device. Patient has to take 1 or 2 puffs per day. It can put the device in his pocket also. Single device convenience. Compliance is good. Tolerability is also there. You have seen if in this starting of the webinar, I have told you we have divided this webinar in 3 parts: part 1, part 2, part 3. In part 1, we have told you about the allergic rhinitis. In part 2, we have told you what is the treatment, better treatment. In last, we have told you this combination that Glenmark has come with, Ryaltris AH, is better and well tolerated combination. Next slide, please. Thank you. This is a thank you and question slides. I think कि आपको काफी बोर किया, पर समय पे हो गया काम. हाँ भाई पीयूष जी, आप भी कुछ पूछ.
It was fantastic, sister. It was fantastic.
समझ में आना चाहिए यार.
नहीं, मुझे तो समझ में आ गया. Completely.
I request to all respected doctors, if any questions, they can type in a chat box or directly can ask by unmuting.
और राहुल तबीयत कैसी है?
बढ़िया सर.
Any question? पीयूष जी कोई क्वेश्चन हो चैट बॉक्स में तो बता देंगे यार.
मैं चेक करता हूँ सर, चेक करता हूँ.
वैसे सभी कॉम्पिटेंट है. ठीक है, तो बढ़िया है.
डॉक्टर गिरिराज व्यास with us, sir. He is one of the.
Yes, व्यास जी, वेलकम डॉक्टर साहब, वेलकम. सरोटिया साहब भी आए थे बीच में, शिवपुरी के सरोटिया जी.
Yes.
नहीं, अच्छा, ये कॉम्बिनेशन हम लोग तो यूज करते हैं वैसे. और राहुल, दोनों इकट्ठी लगवा ली क्या? दोनों वैक्सीन इकट्ठी लगवा ली क्या तूने? कि दोनों डोजेज लगवा ली?
कल राजस्थान में एक केस हुआ था सर. एक कोवैक्सीन कोविशील्ड दोनों लग गए साथ में. But I think this lady is 22-year-old lady, but no, by the time that side effect has been seen.
अरे वो कुछ नहीं होता यार, वो तो बेसिकली एंटीबॉडी, वो तो डायरेक्ट कोरोना के वही हैं, एंटीबॉडीज बनती है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. वैक्सीन तो लेनी ही चाहिए. और मुझसे तो कोई पूछता है, मैं कहता भैया खुद भी लगाओ, पड़ोसी को भी लगवाओ, क्योंकि वैक्सीन से बचना जरूरी है.
So, madam, we can play the video. If I think by the time we don't have any questions in chat box.
Sir, play करें please.
हाँ करिए मैडम, मैं भी देख लूंगा.
Thank you.
मैडम के आने से वेबिनार जो है थोड़ा रंग बिरंगा हो गया.
Doctor, WHO and WAO consider allergic rhinitis as a major chronic respiratory disease. 57% Indians suffering from AR have moderate to severe AR. ARIA recommends intranasal corticosteroid or its combination with azilastine as first line of treatment in moderate to severe AR. Doctor, managing moderate to severe AR begins with choosing right and safe. Introducing first of its kind formulation, a FDC of mometasone 50 mcg and azilastine 140 mcg. Ryaltris AZ nasal spray. Doctor, start right with ARIA recommended first line of treatment. Start right with faster targeted relief than oral antihistamines. Start right with better control of AR symptoms than oral antihistamines. Start right with lesser sedation and lesser systemic side effects than oral antihistamines. Start right with technological superiority. Doctor, in moderate to severe AR, it begins with choosing right and safe. Start right with Ryaltris AZ nasal spray. Start right. Get back faster.
यार प्रोमो तो अच्छा है बहुत, प्रोमो तो बिल्कुल ऐसा लग रहा था फिल्म देख रहे हैं। प्रोमो तो बड़ा अच्छा बना है यार।
सर पिक्चर तो हमने बना दी है और हिट आपको करवानी है।
नहीं वो तो देखो उसमें बस आप लोगों की फील्ड के कलाकार भी अच्छे चाहिए ना।
जी।
हम
Yes.
तो कलाकार और फील्ड वो मॉनिटरिंग जरूरी है हर लेवल पे, तो
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा
Thank
उसको।
you, sir, for using this brand personally for your patient. I hope after a 10,
नहीं
15
आई
days
एम
when you,
यूजिंग, प्रीवियसली वी आर यूजिंग ड्यूनेज,
yeah.
ड्यूनेज, तो ये अच्छा
And
है, मैं तो लाइक करता हूँ ये स्प्रेज।
yes, sir. And sir, more of that, this is a very cost effective, as we highlighted.
हाँ
That
यस
is,
175।
yeah,
तो
the cost is even low. The cost is even lower than the oral therapy. Is the first time India. So
very
I
very
just,
important, in some
yeah,
patient cost is very very important part, and I
yes,
think
sir.
I will suggest you come with momentazone plain also.
Yes, sir.
That's in process, sir. वो होगा, मतलब it's coming
Okay,
like in the next 5 months we'll be launching.
okay,
Fast track
okay,
पे
तो
है
क्या
वो
है
भी
कि
sir.
तो we can shift for relative plain
Yes, sir.
also.
Yes, sir.
So train your team, motivate the team.
Yes, sir.
Teamwork is important to win the race.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
ठीक, we are the part of your team.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Yes,
you
sir.
very much.
और उनसे को लिखवाएं कि हर लेवल पे मॉनिटरिंग करे। राहुल
No
की
issues.
पर्सनालिटी, राहुल की पर्सनालिटी तो अच्छी है, उसको क्या होना है यार, उसको कहो और एक्टिव हो जाए।
So no issue, sir. For that only, I am starting my field work in MP from Gwalior
ओके
only.
ओके
I'm
ओके
coming
ओके
there on second. So if the
ओके
lockdown
ओके
will not extend, then I will be there and to just thanks you personally that for
ओके
such
ओके
a nice interaction and such a informative
ओके।
session you have given on this Realtree Assets, sir.
मैडम जी सेंड मी द लिंक so that
Yes,
I
sir.
can
Yes.
enjoy my recording also.
Sure, sir. We'll do that.
And before proceeding further, I would like to highlight one more thing about Dr. Sahani. Dr. Sahani is a very good motivational speaker and life coach as well. I have gone
Okay,
through so many videos of Dr. Sahani. He is fantastic motivational speaker, and that we can easily see in this presentation as well.
That's great. That's
नहीं motivational basically we, our family is a spiritual family and these are the blessing of my father. He is every time he is telling me the Gita and everything. That time we are thinking कि the old man is now खिसक गए हैं ये, but now we are realizing कि after all doing each and everything, all sorts, ऑडी ले ली, सब कुछ ले लिया, तो आदमी को सेटिस्फेक्शन के लिए फिर वो, अभी आप लोगों के लिए जरूरत नहीं है, आप लोगों को जो जो डिजायर्स हैं पहले पूरी करो, उसके बाद
Yes.
जो है उस लाइन पे अपने को सोचना चाहिए, क्योंकि एंड नहीं है ना कोई, ऑडी के बाद फरारी का सोचना मूर्खता है।
Yes,
एक लिमिट,
correct.
एक जो आपने एक कंफर्ट जोन बनाई है, तो वो कंफर्ट जोन अगर आप एक बार पूरी कर लेते हैं, तो ऐसी कई कंफर्ट जोन बनाने का सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि परमानेंट फिर आपको समझ में आता है कि परमानेंट उसमें खुशी नहीं है। पर अभी आप लोगों के केस में क्या है कि जैसे मान लो किसी आदमी के पास बाइक है, उससे को साइकिल ले ले बाइक दे दे, वो नहीं देगा। उसको को तू होंडा सिटी ले ले कार बाइक दे दे, तो दे देगा। तो अभी आप लोगों के लिए तो यही है कि आप खूब यही यही मेडिटेशन करो कि मनी इज बाय फ्रेंड, मनी इज बाय टॉपिक पॉकेट, मनी इज एवरीथिंग। तो उससे क्या रास्ते तो निकलते ही है ना, कंफर्ट तो निकलती है। फिर
Yes.
सारी जब स्टेज, फिर ज्यादा डिजायर नहीं करनी, एक स्टेज पहुंच गई फिर रिलैक्स फील करिए आप, फिर
yes,
दूसरी
sir.
लाइन पर।
On that
अभी तो
moment, I just want to highlight the Abraham Lincoln one kid. If you
हाँ,
want to help the others, first you should don't be a part of them.
हाँ
So
सही
you
बात
you
है।
have you have to reach at that level. Like you are
हाँ
quoting me regarding Dr. Jain sir, that he is a
हाँ
very fantastic surgeon, but at the same time he is also helping those who need the help.
ओके, थैंक यू, थैंक यू ऑल
So,
ऑफ यू गिनार टीम।
so now, madam, it is over to you. Just for
Yes, sir. Yes,
close
sir.
the session.
Yes, sir.
मैडम आपकी वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है, आई थिंक आप वीडियो
नहीं
ऑफ
नहीं
करेंगे then
वो
it will-
मनीष जी के सॉरी
नहीं वॉइस तो ठीक आ रही है।
मेरी आवाज ठीक है। शायद डिस्टरबेंस
ठीक
आ
है।
रहा था। ये
हाँ।
हमारे कलीग को disturbance आ रहा है। ये हमारे कलीग को आंसर आ रही है। मैं उनको म्यूट कर रही थी। हाँ। So thank you, sir. On behalf of Glenmark Respiracare, we would like to extend our sincere thanks and gratitude to you, sir. I mean, overall, the tone of the presentation was so positive. We are now motivated all the more to do more for IELTS AZ, sir. So thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you,
so
madam. You have nicely presented the slide, and
Yes.
you make this webinar colorful.
Thank you so much,
Your
sir.
pres
Pleasure, sir.
क्या है कि कई बार जैसे मान लो हमारी वाइफ वगैरह बहुत देर लगाती है तैयार होने में, शादी वादी में जब जाते हैं तो कई बार क्या है बोलते हैं कि अरे यार जल्दी करो जल्दी करो। मैं कहता हूँ होने दो यार, फोटो तो इनकी वजह से ही अच्छी आएगी, नहीं तो हमारी तो वही काली पैंट है और वही अपनी जीन्स है। ये फोटो तो लेडीज की वजह से ही अच्छी आती है।
Yes, correct.
इसलिए इनको टाइम लेने दो यार जो ले रहे हैं।
सर, उसमें भी
ठीक है
आपने
वो
पॉजिटिविटी ढूंढ ली, वही आपकी खासियत है सर।
ना वो ठीक है ना, फोटो जब भी अच्छी आती है। मैंने कहा ना आपके आने से वेबिनार कलरफुल हो गया ये,
थैंक यू
नहीं
सर।
तो क्या मजा नहीं आ सकता। मैं तो क्या ये कोएड में पढ़ा हूँ और कोएड में ही रहता हूँ। ये लड़कों वाले काम पसंद नहीं आते मेरे को, क्योंकि क्रिएटिविटी नहीं है ना, क्रिएटिविटी नहीं होती उसमें। तो थोड़ा हम लोग तो फिर लड़के ही होते हैं, अलग टाइप के होते हैं। जो मिल गया तो पहन लिया तो कर लिया। तो ठीक है मैडम, थैंक यू ऑल ग्लैनमार्क टीम। थैंक यू डॉक्टर साहब।
Also. Thank you. All candidates also.
ओके ओके अनु,
Thank you so much for valuable time, sir.
ओके राहुल, मिलते हैं अपन।
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल।
सर, मैं आपको ये लिंक भेज देती हूँ। So as disconnect. Thank you. I'll end the meeting. Thank you, Dr. Giriraj. Thank you.